Hi, Simple Life Ministry. Lorna here. I am back at you with another simple video. Today we're going to be making garlic scape pesto. So garlic scape pesto, garlic, what this is, it's, you know, when the garlic is growing, this is the leaves, you would say, of the garlic. So this is the top part that you would cut off, but you don't want anything to go to waste because it has a lot of flavor. The only difference is that it is not as strong as the garlic, but beautiful flavor. This is my first time making this, but I love garlic, so I know that I will love the pesto. So here I'm going to show you what I did before. So the garlic pesto comes like this here. So what I do, it kind of down here kind of feel hard like asparagus. So what I do, I snip it with my kitchen scissors and take off the part and just leave the part that is softer. So I sniff that and then I snip right here again with the scissors to take off the head part, and then I just cut them up like that. So just feel it. When you're feeling, you will know. Anything that is green from the garden, it's good. Most of the things, at least, is good for us to eat, and we cannot let anything go to waste. We just have to utilize these things and you know, all you need is time really to do these things. I was at the farmer's market and I saw these and I said to the lady, "What are those?" And she said, "Oh, you've never seen those before?" And I go, "No." And she said they're called garlic scapes. And I said, okay. I usually do this. I buy things, or I get things, or I take it from the garden without knowing, you know, what it can do, but I'm thinking it's possible. So here we go. We're gonna do this now. You're gonna learn with me. So that's how I do it right there. Let me come back again and rinse off my hand before I've washed it before. So let me go again and do that. But so first, what I have here, let me introduce my ingredients to you. I have here some lemon zest. So I have this grater from, they would say, donkey years. It's old, but it's still sharp. So I use that to take the zest from my lemon. And then I put the juice of one lemon in here. I have some basil, some Himalayan salt. I have some nutritional yeast to give it the cheesy flavor because it's vegan, plant-based, so we don't want to put cheese. And I have some pine nuts, some olive oil, and some walnut. So here we go. First thing, because I am going to do is to put, okay, let's do the nuts first. This is my first time trying it, so I'm just thinking ahead of time here. All right, let's grind this up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the scapes in. So these were washed. Okay. So before I put anything else, all of the flavorings, I'm just gonna blend this up. comes together so nicely. It's all chopped up here. So hope you can see that there. Okay. So let me just spin it around and see. So I'll just go ahead and chop it up. It's smelling so good. Okay, so now that it's starting to struggle, let me give it a hand by putting in all my liquids, my oil. So I have this here, this is 3/4 cup of olive oil, but I'm not sure of the recipe enough to say it, but I will put it in the description box. So this is the lemon zest and the lemon juice. This is some basil and Himalayan salt. Things like this you can add your salt, but when you're cooking, you add your salt after. And this is my nutritional yeast for the cheesy flavor. And I think I have everything that I would care to put. Maybe it will need some more olive oil. We will see. Okay. So now it's coming together nicely. So excited. All right, let's give it a quick mix around. Okay. So what we have here, it looks like a guacamole. Doesn't quite look like because it's not as I thought it would be greener, but it's more having the look of a guacamole. But it smells delicious. It smells amazing. Hold on. Do it some more. Okay, family, that should do it for now. Now we gotta taste. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh my, it is so good. You can taste the cheese from the nutritional yeast. It has that garlicky flavor. It's so flavorful. Oh my guys, you gotta give this a try. Look around to see which farmers market are in your area, or when you plant your garlic, take the thing off. Most time people will throw this away, I hear, but as long as I see them, I'm going to be scraping them up, because I can make this and put them in my mason jar and freeze them so I can use them. It is so healthy, so good. I have here my flax cracker that I made in a previous video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on it and see. So you could put this on toast, you could put it on toast, put it on the flax cracker if you have made it yet. See? Very good. It has, because it has the pine nut and the walnut, the olive oil, the little salt, the basil, gives it such a nice flavor. I'm gonna put a lot because I want to have a lot. Oh my, Family, you have to give this a try. It's amazing and I'm not pretending. So I'm going to put the recipe down. Please share this recipe with your family, with your friends. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And have yourself a blessed day. Bye for now.